All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news of information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using credit cards, BlockFi credit card to get rewards back from BlockFi and Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about baby Bitcoin. That's right. Baby Bitcoin. It's up like over 300% in the last 7 days. It's definitely appropriate to talk about the baby Bitcoin because Bitcoin is at the highest it's ever been right this second, over $65,000, $66,000. I will go to the Robinhood to check that out a little bit later. But what is with this baby Bitcoin? There's also a strategy what they want to do with the community to help children. So we're going to dig into that, dig into the website, all kinds of information with baby Bitcoin today. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. We love to talk about cryptocurrency. We want to help everybody on the planet know about cryptocurrency, know how to analyze it, buy it, check it out on the website, understand it, use it at the gas station. AM Token does a lot of that Flexa network with the Sheets gas stations, all kinds of different things. Crypto's not going anywhere. So let's go ahead and jump over to baby Bitcoin. All right, we're over here at Coin Market, and baby Bitcoin right here is ranked 3304. There's about 8 different zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 zeros. And then it's 689. It's up 344% in the last 7 days. 344%. But in the last 24 hours, up 291%. Holy, what's going on with baby Bitcoin? So let's check it out. So over here, baby Bitcoin, taking a look. It's up again 291% up here on the top right. It's just crazy to think about baby Bitcoin. So looking at the chart over here, obviously there's a lot of zeros with 1846, and it was going, and then it was going, and then it was going, and then wham, look at this, baby Bitcoin is up the mountain, and then it comes down to slightly a little bit, and then wham, baby Bitcoin's back up the mountain. So baby Bitcoin, yep, that's right, baby Bitcoin aims to provide, through a transaction tax system, continuous benefits for project holders. The tax system retains 5% of transactions, which corresponds to 3% that goes to liquidity and 2% that is distributed to the holders, including the burn address. The purpose of the project is collaborated through the token distribution with different global organizations that work to help with children's poverty. So again, it's going to help with the work in the children's poverty. The identity of the token is a meme coin, taking a reference of the father of all coins. Father of all coins. Well, who's the father? Bitcoin. So baby Bitcoin's father would be the father of all coins, Bitcoin itself. So guess what, everybody? If you know Bitcoin is just the granddaddy of them all, and now there's a cryptocurrency, baby Bitcoin, yeah, let's go ahead and jump in a little bit, learn a little bit more about baby Bitcoin. Well, over here at the website of baby Bitcoin, it's baby, HTTPS, babybitcoin.finance or babybitcoin.net. Right here off the rip, when you first go there, you can win the jackpot and win baby Bitcoin lottery. So you click right here, first thing, and it says connect your wallet. So you can connect your wallet. So hit connect, and then obviously you can scan that. But what does it say over here? The latest news of the lottery. Baby Bitcoin lottery. With the BBTC lottery, you have a great chance to win. Participate and compete for the total. One ticket equals one opportunity. The lottery will take place when it reaches 25 participants. So that basically 1 out of 25 people are going to win. The winners will be announced on the official social network and the lottery website. And you're going to win. So right off the rip, you can go ahead and enter the lottery. Win some baby Bitcoin. So let's go ahead and close that. So it says right here, the Prince of Crypto. The Prince of Crypto. Isn't that interesting? Do you miss the trip that our father Bitcoin took? You still have time to join us in the new journey. Follow us in the footstep of the greatest coin of all time. You know that greatest coin? Bitcoin. This is baby Bitcoin. So let's follow the journey. So what does it say about baby Bitcoin? The world of baby Bitcoin. Baby Bitcoin is focused on community and charity. The strength of the community. Baby Bitcoin is not just another token. It is a community-based ecosystem and most important asset aiming at providing functionality and assets that are interested in entertaining and profitability. We work with various projects such as online radio, right there, virtual casinos, and accept Baby Bitcoin, online gaming, lotteries, NFTs, satellite tokens, which will drive the growth of Baby Bitcoin and much, much more. So if you click right here for projects, and it has a list of the projects. Take a look here. So we have a few projects here. The RAD BBTC looks like the radio. The long-awaited lottery contract, which will include a Baby Bitcoin lottery. So we got Baby that. Online games using Baby Bitcoin. Pretty neat. Mini games. Are you ready to start playing? So Baby Bitcoin. A little bit more here. Baby Bitcoin, development of the NFT projects for solidarity purposes. So for your NFT projects, you can go to Baby Bitcoin. Also on Baby Bitcoin, projects to promote digital, educational, and children's through workshops. Also, Baby Bitcoin, a complementary token to Baby Bitcoin that's connected to it will provide benefits to both the investor and the Baby Bitcoin holder. So a lot of cool things, everybody. So it says right here, grow and help grow. The project was born from an idea of generating value beyond being a crypto active. And we believe that one way to bring a real benefit to society is focusing on mitigating children's vulnerability. In this way, through collaborating with associates in charge of managing and logistics of this work. We not only think the investing benefit, but we also go with the idea of change. So they're all about helping children, which is awesome. Smart economy. Baby Bitcoin aims to provide, through a transaction tax system, continuous benefits for project holders. A 5% tax is charged in each regular transaction, of which 3% increases the liquidity and 2% is distributed to the holders. Soon, our satellite token system will add liquidity and continuous investments in Baby Bitcoin to boost its growth. Pretty neat there. Take a look at that sports car. Now, the Baby Bitcoin right there. Got the little Bitcoin wheels and everything. The tokenomics, this is always important. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Bitcoin is big. It's the biggest coin ever. Baby Bitcoin. Pretty interesting. Do me a favor, don't forget to put your comments in the bottom what you think of the Baby Bitcoin. Don't forget to like the channel, don't forget to subscribe to it, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Again, we've been talking about a couple new coins. Shiba Puppy, we were talking about. A Litecoin, we just had a video yesterday about, very good video. We talk about Shiba Inu, talk about Dogecoin, talk about AMP token, all kinds of different things. Well, Baby Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash. Definitely, Bitcoin Cash is an awesome cryptocurrency. And I like it because, again, Bitcoin Cash, it's more user-friendly. Baby Bitcoin. Well, same thing as I always say. It's not going to go away. It's going to be here for a while. Might as well jump into the trend before this thing blows up. So let's get in before it blows up. So when it kind of moves down the road and you kind of knew about it, we bring these kind of informations to you here on Frank's Crypto Corner so you can kind of check it out. Go home and research it, look things up, everything else. So with that, let's jump back over to Baby Bitcoin. So tokenomics, again, the burn 57%, liquidity is at 20%. The marketing and charity is 13% and 10% for development and partners. Passive rewards, very important. A 5% tax is charged on regular transactions, of which 3% increases the liquidity and 2% is distributed to the holders. The roadmap, the birth of Baby Bitcoin, completed. Development of the first website, birth of the community, pre-sale launch, and PancakeSwap. Everybody go check out PancakeSwap. Let's get our Baby Bitcoin. So this is already completed. Next thing, completed. Listing on CoinGecko, CoinMarket, as well as other well-known platforms, completed. Start a donation campaign of institutions that fight against children's vulnerability. Boom, completed. All right, these guys have got their stuff together. Web 2.0, development of new websites with redesign of graphic lines, information more organized and adaptable to functionalities. Boom, completed. Here we go, in progress. We got the radio of Baby Bitcoin, an entertainment space, as well as information about Baby Bitcoin and new projects that are developed in crypto ecosystem, interviews, podcasts, and more. That's coming. Lottery contracts in September already done. Developments of contracts and web interface, and the lottery parts of the process will be used to carry out a social action. Boom, in October and November, satellite token program will start. The token development project benefits investors within the Baby Bitcoin ecosystem that will give reflections on Baby Bitcoin and other crypto assets, as well as many other functionalities. Holy, all kinds of stuff. In December, November, December, they got the mini games, mini online games with Baby Bitcoin themes. Will work the dynamic and the echo of the community to get rewards by playing. You know what? Everybody likes playing and getting rewards. And if Baby Bitcoin's right there, why not? Online casino coming January of next year. Virtual casinos where you can find the best card games, slots, poker, roulette, daily welcome bonuses, and access to monthly prizes at Grand Jackpot. Baby Bitcoin and BNB can be used. Man, there's all kinds of things that they got going on. So all I know is things are going up with Baby Bitcoin. Over here at the Twitter account, Baby Bitcoins have a Twitter. Check it out. It says, I am the most important meme coin in the world. Who is that? Baby Bitcoin. All right, so pretty, I like that. So here's one of the nice things it's talking about on their Twitter. Hey team, Baby Bitcoin with an important announcement to make. Remember that it's not coming directly from us. It isn't us. Protect yourself and your assets from scams. Feel free to join our official TG group for all the newest updates right away. So right on the Twitter account and Baby Bitcoin token, you can check that out. I did want to jump over here to Robinhood just for a second. Right here, Bitcoin itself is almost $64,479. If we take a look in the last week, it actually went as high as 66.9 and almost reached 67,000. Right there, everybody, October 20th at 11 a.m. is a new record, 66,912. Bitcoin has hit a new record, so I just want to show you all that. Now, why do I want to show you all that? 66.9, because right here on this little chart, we can click 3 months ago, and this Bitcoin 3 months ago was at 32,000. We talk about the functionality of how you can use the Robinhood 1 day ago, 1 week ago. You can buy in Robinhood. I like the charts. It's really easy, but I just wanted to show you currently right now, Bitcoin's at 64,000. Our good friend Ethereum has went over 4,000, 41.66. Take a look at this, 42 right there. It went as high as 42.31. Ethereum is off the charts right now. What's it at right now? 41.63. So when people talk about Ethereum getting to 5,000, remember when it was 1,800 and 1,900 and 2,000, and people were talking about Ethereum getting to 5,000? Take a look. It's 41.63. I mean, it just went over 4,000 like nothing. The fourth quarter of the year's coming, and Christmas season and everything else. I mean, cryptocurrency. I mean, all kinds of. Things are just going awesome in cryptocurrency right now. Let's check out one more. Bitcoin Cash. Take a look how this is up. It's way up right here, $644. I remember. Here's a nice thing again. Bitcoin Cash is doing real well right now. So with that, a lot of good information about Baby Bitcoin. I mean, pretty interesting stuff. You definitely want to pay attention to it. Go to the website, check it out. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends. We're trying to get everybody on the planet to basically know about cryptocurrency. Even if they don't own any cryptocurrency, if they at least know about it and understand it, and they understand that it can go to the moon and all this other stuff. A lot of people are looking into investments, so getting into cryptocurrency could be a good investment. The stock market is an awesome investment. People have been doing it for years. Cryptocurrency is now here to stay, and there's a lot of people, I mean, there's portfolios for your retirement account that they're using cryptocurrency, and Bitcoin is one of the coins that they're putting in there. So all kinds of good stuff. So don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon. Every Monday through Friday, we bring you a video around 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. On the weekends, we bring you a video around 3 or 4 o'clock on Saturdays and Sundays. And every once in a while, we bring you a bonus video around 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock at night on Monday through Friday. So there's our schedule. Thanks for tuning in. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. You all have a great day today.